like MotoGP speed. Doing a wheelie at 140 mile an hour. That is so fast, isn't it?
So this is the Harley Davidson M8 Softail Supercharger kit. This is our Gen 3 kit. It's been a long haul getting as far as this kit. We tried to simplify it, make it less problematic, because the Harley Davidson engine wants to knock 10 barrels out of anything you attach to it. So this kit, intercooled, tooth belt drive, a very, very simple supercharger setup. So this is the belt guard. Underneath here you've got your belt, you've got your tensioner, and obviously the crank pulley sits underneath the belt guard as well. So it's a nice simple run that is on the outside of the bike, so it's very simple to change if you need or need to adjust it. It's a GT4 belt. These belts are pretty well unbreakable, so this is the strongest belt available. This will give you up to 16 pound of boost depending on the supercharger. This case, CNC case, chain case, incorporates the supercharger oil tank. You can see the back of the oil tank here. So that incorporates the oil for the supercharger. So oil comes out the back of the tank here, underneath and along through the oil cooler, and the oil cooler sits integral as well. So the oil cooler sits just there. So you've got oil going from the tank through the oil cooler up into the supercharger, out of the supercharger, along here through an oil filter and back into the tank. Now this sits in front of your oil filter. So the air filter goes in there. The air filter goes in there, and that's supported by the oil filter, which butts up against it, so it can't go anywhere. So it's extremely simple. There's no bracketry to fail or anything. So once that's assembled, air comes out of the supercharger, up the pipe, into this pipe, into the intercooler, out of the intercooler, and into the plenum chamber, which is on the other side of the bike, bolted to the throttle body. The blow-off valve is built in to the plenum chamber. So you've got the spring and that, and the vacuum air goes into there, which pulls the valve open when you get off the throttle. So air comes out of there. So there's no separate blow-off valve. It works seamlessly. Bigger injectors. Oil cooler bracket. Now, depending on which bike you've got, the gear linkage needs to be fitted as a separate part. You can fit on top here, or you can fit underneath, or on the mid peg. The standard linkage and pivot and spline shaft come through here like it does on the standard chain case, and then your lever comes out here just the same. So it's extremely simple. You can see there's so few parts in this kit. Now, where the supercharger drive pulley goes through through this case, there is only a seal. There's no bearing. There's no point in having a bearing, because 90% of Harley Davidson crankshafts don't run true. So if you put a bearing, an outrigger bearing in this case, all you're going to do is knock the bearing out. So we've done away with the bearing. We just use a seal, and this works extremely well. You've got the chain, primary chain pulling the crank this way. We've got the supercharger belt drive pulling this way. So it evens things out as far as load on that crankshaft. So it's not detrimental not having a bearing to support it. It in fact evens out the loads from pulling this way for drive and pulling that way for drive for the supercharger. So it works extremely well. And this is the first one going out. This is going out to, I believe it's Portugal. The other thing is, just realize we've centralized that opening around the clutch. So where the standard case is up here, and you can't get the plates out without taking this cover off. With our cover, you can take the cover out, and then you can take all the clutch plates and pressure plate and everything out of the clutch. So you don't have to dismantle all of this. Now, on the other side of things, if you need to change the oil filter, which we give you an oil filter made for the job, then all you have to do to remove the supercharger is undo this case and 3 bolts underneath it and just lift the supercharger away. You don't have to remove any of the oil lines. The oil lines will still be free enough for you to get it out of the way to replace your oil filter. So replacing the oil filter is no big chore. So it's a very easy kit to work with. And this will give you 200 to 300 horsepower, depending on the spec of your motor. And if you want to go further than that, give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you. So look out for this kit coming out on the market for the touring model. This is for the Softail. The touring model is underway at the moment and will probably be released early spring next year.